Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk to you about how do we going to invest in the stock market since now we have the US and China trade war. So stay tuned. Hi everybody, today I'm gonna talk to you about how are we going to invest in the stock market even though now the world is having this US and China trade war. You know, because of this US and China trade war, the financial market has been in a great turbulence. Okay, many are fearful of what's gonna happen when US and China trade war going to intensify. Now you can see that the US market and the China market has been on a downturn for the past few weeks because of this escalating trade war. Many are having major concern of what's going to happen. But I want to assure everybody that in time of crisis, there is always opportunity. Even though in this crisis, in this trade war situation, we can still continue to invest in the stock market. There's this investor that say, when everybody is fearful, it's time for us to be greedy. And when everybody is greedy, it's time for us to be fearful. So when the market is on a downturn, it's time for us to accumulate really good stock. Because in the long term, the stock performance will continue to outperform the rest of the market. In Malaysia, we also understand that Malaysian market has been also impacted. In fact, in one of the news, we understand that Malaysia stock market or Malaysia economy also has been impacted. There are certain industry has been impacted negatively and certain industry has been impacted positively. These are the few examples.
According to the OCBC Bank report, industries that most likely affected included palm oil, solar panels, machinery, LED, and also semiconductors. Overall, given Malaysia's trade openness, the tariffs are expected to increase the cost of raw materials and intermediate goods, which could limit final demand. You can see that Malaysia have export exposure in China about 18%, export exposure in US about 12%. Import exposure to China is about 18% as well, and import exposure to US is about 7.8%. These are the distribution of the different category of industry for top export to China, and this is the top 10 export to US. Overall, the impact of Malaysia for different industry are as such. Overall, you can see that the impact of Malaysia for palm oil, we expect to gain, but of course, recently we actually see the final impact is actually negative. Chemical product we expect to gain, LED product we expect to gain, solar panel we expect it to loss, machinery to be a loss, and electronics to be lost.
Now, in Malaysian market, even though many industry has been impacted negatively, there are still certain industries that are performing well. One of the industry is REITs, Real Estate Investment Trust. You can see that there are a few companies that are still performing for the past few months. One of it is IGB. You can look at how IGB is performing, is doing quite good. And also Sunway REIT. Sunway REIT is also doing quite good. YTL REIT and even Pavilion REIT. There are still plenty of opportunity out there that all of us can explore. So guys, even though we have the US and China trade war, do not be too worried. Continue to invest, continue to find good company, good fundamental company that are profitable, company that can continue to provide good dividend yield, and always focus on company that can always give you good cash flow regardless of the world economy. So there you have it. I hope that today I'm able to share to you something that will make you to take action. Find those companies in Malaysia, in US, and in China. Find those companies that have good fundamental, good management, that no matter what happens in the world, the company can continue to perform. Now is a short-term downturn, but this is also a time where you can find good company to invest. So happy investing, and I see you again in the next video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and I see you again. Bye.